Which synonym belongs to junket? The correct answer is jaunt. Which synonym belongs to virago? The correct answer is termagant. Which synonym belongs to affirmation? The correct answer is assertion. Which synonym belongs to taut? The correct answer is terse. Which synonym belongs to ascetic? The correct answer is abstinent. Which synonym belongs to prime? The correct answer is main. Which synonym belongs to enduring? The correct answer is diuturnal. Which synonym belongs to jaundice? The correct answer is icterus. Which synonym belongs to intoxicate? The correct answer is to drunken. Which synonym belongs to specious? The correct answer is fallacious. Which synonym belongs to discourse? The correct answer is discussion. Which synonym belongs to affluence? The correct answer is richdom. Which synonym belongs to impolitic? The correct answer is unadvisable. Which synonym belongs to breed? The correct answer is raise. Which synonym belongs to invalid? The correct answer is disallowed. Which synonym belongs to enumerate? The correct answer is tally. Which synonym belongs to depravity? The correct answer is wickedness. Which synonym belongs to coup? The correct answer is putsch. Which synonym belongs to hazy? The correct answer is blurry. Which synonym belongs to carte blanche? The correct answer is proxy in blank.